In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert links in Card. If you're building a simple one-page site and want visitors to jump to your social profiles, a portfolio, a booking page, or any external resource, adding a linked button in Card is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can set it up with confidence. First, head to card.co in your browser. From the home page, click Open Dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your site. Once you're in the dashboard, click the project you want to edit. This opens the card builder where you can adjust your content and layout. Inside the builder, look for the Add control. This is how you insert new elements onto your page. Click Add, then choose Buttons. Card will place a default button on your canvas, and you'll see its settings panel open so you can customize it. To get more control, open the drop-down in the button settings. This reveals additional options for both the button's look and its behavior. Start by changing the label or name of the button to something clear and action-oriented, like Visit Store, Contact Me, or View Portfolio. A clear label sets expectations and improves click-throughs. Next, paste your link into the URL field. Be sure to include the full address, including HTTPS so the link works correctly. This can be any valid web address, your social link, a booking tool, a product page, or even another section of your card site if you're using anchors. If you're linking externally, consider toggling the option to open the link in a new tab so visitors can easily return to your page. While you're here, fine-tune the button's appearance for clarity and accessibility. Use the style controls to adjust size, color, and alignment so the button stands out without overwhelming the design. Aim for strong color contrast between the button and its text to ensure readability. If you add an icon, keep it simple and consistent with your site's look. You can also tweak spacing so the button has enough breathing room on desktop and mobile. When you're satisfied, click Done to apply the changes to this element. Done closes the settings and saves the button within your draft. From there, you can continue editing your page or return later to publish when everything is ready. That's all it takes to insert links in Card using a button. With a clear label, a correct URL, and clean styling, your visitors will know exactly where to go and feel confident clicking through. Thanks for watching and happy building!